go. Little Elko motorcycle group ride. That little Scrambler sounds good. Yeah, I think it's been a while since you guys see JP or Wild Bill on the channel. We're headed out to O'Carroll's for some breakfast. Go look at the pretty fall colors in Lamoille, and we'll go from there. JP's on his night shift Scrambler. Is that JP 1970 right there? Oh yeah, there's the Ruby Mountains. ADV, Nevada. So if you haven't heard of the Ruby Mountains or Lamoille Canyon, you're missing out. That right there, out there, that little bit of fog with the sun beating down on them, those are the Ruby Mountains. One of the only places in the world that's the home of the Himalayan snowcock. I don't even think Bill liked my hog impersonation. Where did Bill go? There's Bill. Nope, you're not breaking that focus. Bill's on a freaking mission. Oh, here we come into the roundabout. I think I'm gonna go around twice. I like the roundabout so much. Oh, my shoe touched the ground. Dang it. Oh, I got stuck in the roundabout. Don't you guys hate getting when you get stuck in the roundabout? Oh, listen to that Ducati Scrambler. Oh, yeah. JP's pulling right up front.
Yeah, pizza's alright.
Hey, Bill.
Yeah.
Did you know that the Ruby Mountains are home to the Himalayan snowcock?
No, I did not.
It's one of only 2 places in the world.
Himalayan snowcock.
That's right. So after a lot of discussion on YouTube, we come up with Bill's new channel name. It's gonna be Bill's Himalayan Snowcock. Look him up on YouTube.
Now we're gonna head up into the canyon. And what we've seen so far is 4K 60, 2.7K 60. And now we're gonna try a little 4K 30, see what that looks like.
Not bad. Hey, what was your channel name again, Bill?
Himalayan snowcocks.
Ah, that's right.
Bill's.
Thank you. Bill's Himalayan Snowcock. You see, guys, when you ride an Italian motorcycle, you have to talk to it.
Yeah.
Otherwise, it just won't start.
Oh, is this thing on?
It's on. You're ready to roll. See? Works every time.
Okay, we're ready.
Headed out to Lamoille Canyon, and you probably heard it earlier. We finally decided on Bill's channel name. It's Wild Bill's Himalayan Snowcock. And if you guys aren't aware, the Ruby Mountains is one of the only 2 places in the world that the Himalayan Snowcock lives. Let me know down in the comment section if you know what that other place is. Oh, no feet. He's got no feet. Oh yeah. Just taking a beautiful ride up Lamoille Canyon. Oh, take a look at this. Wow. ADV Nevada. Looking for the Himalayan snowcock. Oh, there he is. It's the Himalayan snowcock. ADV Nevada. Oh, take a look at this. ADV Nevada. Oh, yeah. Oh, this is beautiful up here. In the Ducati Scrambler Night Shift Edition. Ha ha ha! Himalayan snowcock. It's the Himalayan snowcock in its wild habitat.